In this video, I'm going to show you how to use our underwriting requirements tool. So from your homepage, I'm just going to enter one of the last quotes I've done, and I'm just going to skip ahead through the initial few pages. So this is the client details, your benefit details, and then we get to the research stage. The final tab here on the right hand side is called underwriting. And this is our underwriting requirements tool. Now this is designed to be a guideline only. We do try and update it with the latest requirements that we are given from the insurance companies, but please note it is a guideline only. So if, for example, Mini already has a bunch of cover with other companies, we can put that in here. And we can see that Estron Life and Fidelity Life has some additional requirements, so we can help our client prepare that when we do the initial application to help save some time later in the process and manage their expectations as well. So this can be a really helpful tool to go through. It's not a requirement, but it can be helpful. If you do have any further questions, feel free to give us a call or an email, and we'd be happy to assist.